Yo, guys. This one where I come like this, I swear. I don't weak. I just needed someone to talk to. So basically, I carry my car I carry and go for service, right? Just to change the 4 brake pads, right? And the shock absorber, the 2 rear shock absorber, right? And I had my budget, okay? But then eventually I was heartbroken. I swear, this is basically the only thing I could do, right? Not to just a laugh. Because if I don't laugh, I feel the vex. So after all said and done, right, I carry cargo for service, and they replaced everything. Only for me to get the invoice, right? Say I go pay 1,970 something zloty. I shock. Say, hey, even the last one I did 2 years ago was, I think I spent around 1,200, right? But this one, why can't be 1,900? So they gave me the calculation, right? Basically, they bought the 4 brake pads. I think that's around 340, 170 front and back. So around 344 thereabouts. And then the 2 rear shock absorber, that around 250 something each. So accumulating to around 501 zloty. Yeah. And then they said they replaced the brake injector or something like that. I can't really remember. And that was around 100, and that was around 200 zloty. So in total, everything was around 900, right? But then guess what? Where I was baffled was, I tried, to also negotiate this, to break it down. But I'll let you know how it all ended. So the last part was that, for every replacement, there's a charge. So basically, for the first 2 replacement for the front, that was around 170 something for service, right? For the rear, another 170 for service. For the 2 shock absorber, the rear 2 shock absorber, another 200 or 300 thereabout. Everything they did had a charge. So if they told me they pulled something out, they would actually charge me for pulling that shit out. I ended up paying 1,900 because they gave me a discount of 770 something, 72 zloty thereabout. But bro, 1,900. So let's convert this to Nigerian currency, to the Nigerian naira. This would probably be around over 700k. Over 700k. That's a lot. So the thing just weak me. You weak me. I no go lie. So now I say make una console me. I beg, now only laugh, I feel laugh. So now I say make una console me. 1,700 for replacement of 4 brake pads and 2 shock absorbers. It is well. I'll see you in the next video. But until then, make I cry, my cry. Oh boy.